What's going on, guys? Today we're building up a late 80s dyno. This frame was painted by C4 Lab. The decals were reapplied. This has the coaster brake over here, frame stander over here, 1-inch headset. To go along with this, we have the Dyno drain pipe seat post, Dyno pretzel bars, Dyno forks, Dyno cheese grater sprocket, GT Power Series cranks, Dyno SpinTech stem, Diacomp nip-in brakes, Diacomp Tech 77 levers, some frame standers, Odyssey gyro cable in white, 1-inch headset and American bottom brackets, Dominator seats. We got GT pedals and Amy grips, GT tires, Skyway mag wheels. So let's get to the build. Stay tuned.
When you wanna go to it, relax. Don't do it when you wanna come. Relax. Don't do it when you wanna suck it to it. Relax. Don't do it when you wanna come. 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 Shoot it in the right direction. Making it your intention. Live those dreams, scheme those schemes. Gotta hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me, hit me with those laser beams.
Hey guys, we decided to throw some Haro old school tires on instead. So let's throw these babies on and then continue with the build.
When you wanna come.
We're doing another change. We switched from the GT tires and then to the Haro tires, and then we're gonna throw these babies on. They're GT hubs laced to Odyssey hazard light rims. So let's throw these on and continue this build. What's going on, guys? We finally finished this pink Dyno Detour. Let's go through all the parts with you. We have white Amy grips, Tech 77 levers, pretzel bars with Odyssey cables, GT mallet stem with a 1-inch gyro. We put the Diacom nip-in brakes. We got these original Dyno forks, GT super lace hubs on Odyssey hazard rims with Haro tires. We got GT pedals, GT Power Series cranks, Dyno sprocket, and a chrome KMC chain. Silver polished GT C-post clamp, a Dyno drain pipe, plastic Dominator seat, Diacom nip-in brakes on the rear, Haro tire for the GT Super Lace hubs and the Odyssey rims. This bike is absolutely beautiful. Looking really, really good in this crazy hot pink. Let us know what you think of this beautiful build. Comment below if you rode one of these in the 80s or if you rode anything similar or what dyno you have ridden. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and check out a couple more videos over here. Thanks for watching. See you guys.